In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you must do is actually calibrate whatever you have over here. So, of course, to do this, you want to go to the left-hand side and you want to click on measurements over here and you want to click on calibrate, and then you want to go ahead and select 2 points and, of course, calibrate that way. Now, if you don't know how to do this, make sure you watch my other tutorial where I teach you how to actually set scale or how to actually calibrate it, which is very important because if you want accurate measurements, you'll have to have it calibrated first over here. Now watch that video and then come back over here and I'll show you how to measure. As you can see here, this is now calibrated. I've done that prior already. And then over here, you could go to measurements, and then up here you have a bunch of measuring tools, or you could go ahead and click on tools up top, and then from here click on measure, and then in here you have a bunch of different measuring tools as well. Okay, so the first one here, as you can see, is length. Now over here, this is very basic. You can go ahead and just set the length over here and just basically measure it. So for example, from over here and then to over here, as you can see, it's going to basically show me. Now by default, it's going to allow you to go ahead and go up and down over here, so it's not necessarily going to be a straight line, but whenever you find the edge over here, it's going to automatically kind of stick like a magnet into your straight line. But if you only want to drag a straight line or like perfect corners or anything like that, you want to go ahead and hold down your shift key on your keyboard, and when you hold that down, as you can see, it's going to only allow me to basically go straight, or if I push it up a bit, it's going to do 45 degrees, and then we have 90 and stuff like that. Okay, so as you can see, there's like only perfect angles and 45 degrees when you hold down the shift key. And then when you come to the very end here, you could go ahead and click again, and there we go, you now have your measurement. Now mine over here is in millimeters. If you want it in any other units, you can watch my video as well where I teach you how to basically change this. I have it on my channel as well. And yeah, that's the first one. If you want to go to tools up top, measure again, you have the poly length. Now with the poly length, you could go ahead and, for example, measure like this. You have like multiple points. So for example, if I want to start over here, then go over here, and then I want to go over here as well, and then back up. So that's the poly length over here. Now the next one here is the area. As you can see, you can go ahead and measure areas. For example, if I wanted to measure this area over here, I'm holding down my shift key for straight lines. There we go. This has now measured the area here. I could go ahead and go, for example, in the perimeter, diameter. So there's a bunch of different things. You could do angles, volumes, polygon cutout, etc. There's a bunch of different things here. I'm not going to waste your time, but you kind of get the point. You can just go ahead and measure this very, very easily by clicking on these tools and then clicking it on your screen over here. So that's how to measure. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.